Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to display product inventory on your Shopify store, step by step for 2025. Let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Products in your Shopify admin and select the product you want to edit. Step 2. Scroll to the Inventory section. Make sure Track Quantity is checked. Step 3. Enter the number of units available in the Quantity field. Shopify will now automatically adjust inventory when products are sold. Step 4. To show this on your store, go to Online Store, Themes, then click Customize. Step 5. Navigate to the product page and look for an option like Show Inventory or Stock Level Display in the Settings panel. Step 6. Enable it, save your changes, and preview the product. Your visitors will now see how many items are left in stock. Tip: displaying low stock levels can increase urgency and boost conversions. That's all. You've now enabled inventory display on your Shopify store in 2025. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy Shopify tutorials.